Top 5 cheap classic cars. Number 1. Sunbeam Alpine, 1961, creation history. The Sunbeam Alpine, introduced in 1961, is a classic British sports car with a rich history. The creation of the Alpine was influenced by the growing demand for stylish and compact sports cars in the 1960s. This car had three main advantages. The first, sporty design. The Sunbeam Alpine featured a sleek and sporty design, capturing the essence of British sports cars of its time. The second, open-top driving. One of its advantages was the convertible option, providing drivers with the exhilarating experience of open-top motoring. The third, performance. The Alpine was known for its agile handling and impressive performance, making it a popular choice among driving enthusiasts. Interesting facts about the automobile. The Sunbeam Alpine gained international recognition when a Series 2 model was featured as the car driven by Sean Connery in the James Bond film Dr. No. In 1962, a Sunbeam Alpine Series 2 was driven by racing driver Peter Happer in the Monte Carlo Rally. As of now, the market value of the Sunbeam Alpine from 1961 can vary based on factors such as condition, originality, and historical significance. The approximate starting price for a well-maintained example is around $10,000, though prices can fluctuate based on market conditions. The current condition of a specific Sunbeam Alpine depends on factors such as restoration efforts, maintenance, and overall care. Potential buyers should thoroughly inspect the vehicle, considering its mechanical and aesthetic aspects before making a purchase. Number 2. Plymouth Fury, 1961, creation history. The 1961 Plymouth Fury represents a significant milestone in the history of Plymouth automobiles. This era was characterized by a pursuit of modern design and new technologies. The 1961 Plymouth Fury attracted attention with its innovative style and enhanced features. This car had three main advantages. The first, exclusive design. The 1961 Plymouth Fury offered an individual and creative design that made it stand out on the road. The second, advanced technologies. For its time, the car was equipped with advanced technologies and engineering solutions. The third, powerful performance. Engine options for the Plymouth Fury included powerful engines that delivered excellent performance. Interesting facts about the automobile. In 1961, the Plymouth Fury gained fame after being featured in Stephen King's iconic horror film Carrie. This period is considered the golden era of large and stylish automobiles, and the Plymouth Fury successfully embraced this trend. On the secondary market, prices for the 1961 Plymouth Fury can vary depending on factors such as condition, rarity, and others. Typically, prices start from $10,000, but they can significantly increase for well-preserved examples or collectible models. The current condition of a specific 1961 Plymouth Fury can vary significantly and depends on the maintenance history, any restoration work performed, and overall preservation. It is recommended to conduct a thorough inspection and request detailed information from the seller before making a purchase. Number 3. Cadillac Sedan DeVille, 1967, creation history. The Cadillac Sedan DeVille was introduced in 1967 as part of the DeVille series by Cadillac, one of the most renowned luxury car manufacturers in the USA. This sedan became a significant part of the American market in the early 60s, providing buyers with luxurious and comfortable automobiles. This car had three main advantages. The first, luxury and comfort. The Cadillac Sedan DeVille is renowned for its high level of comfort and luxury. The interior of the car is adorned with quality materials, ensuring driving and travel comfort. The second, performance. In 1967, the Cadillac Sedan DeVille offered powerful engines, providing excellent performance for its time. The third, design. The car features the distinctive Cadillac style with elegant lines and an expressive exterior. Interesting facts about the automobile. The 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille was part of the fourth generation DeVille, which turned out to be one of the most successful in Cadillac's history. In 1967, the DeVille was not only available as a sedan but also as a coupe and convertible, completing the model lineup. On the secondary market, the price of the 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille can vary depending on condition, rarity, and other factors. Prices usually start from $10,000 and can significantly increase for well-preserved or collector's editions. The current condition of a specific 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille can vary widely. It depends on the service history, restoration, and overall preservation of the car. It is recommended to conduct a thorough inspection and request detailed information from the seller before making a purchase. Friends, if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new releases. Number 4. Chrysler Royal, 1939. History of creation. The Chrysler Royal, introduced in 1939, was a notable addition to Chrysler's lineup, showcasing the brand's commitment to style, performance, and technological innovation during the pre-war era. This car had three main advantages. The first, streamlined design. The 1939 Chrysler Royal boasted a streamlined and aerodynamic design, characterized by smooth contours, integrated headlights, and a distinctive front grille, contributing to its visual appeal. The second, innovative engineering. Chrysler was known for incorporating innovative engineering features, and the Royal was no exception. It offered advanced suspension systems and improved handling for a comfortable driving experience. The third, affordable luxury. Positioned as a mid-range model, the Chrysler Royal aimed to provide a taste of luxury at a more affordable price point, making it an attractive option for a broader market. Interesting facts about the automobile. Fluid drive transmission. The 1939 Chrysler Royal featured fluid drive, an innovative transmission system that allowed for smoother gear shifting, enhancing overall driving comfort. Variety of body styles. The Royal was available in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, and convertibles, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Pre-war rarity. Production of civilian vehicles was affected by World War II shortly after the 1939 model year, making pre-war models like the Chrysler Royal relatively rare. As of now, a Chrysler Royal 1939 in good condition can have an estimated value of around $3,500. However, the actual market value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, historical significance, and collectors' demand. Enthusiasts often appreciate the 1939 Chrysler Royal for its elegant design and the technological advancements it introduced during its time. Number 5. Jaguar XJ, 1978. History of creation. The Jaguar XJ of 1978 is a distinguished luxury sedan that represents the epitome of British automotive craftsmanship. Its creation history, advantages, and unique features contribute to its status as a classic. This car had three main advantages. The first, elegant design. The Jaguar XJ of 1978 boasts a timeless and elegant design, characterized by its sleek lines, prominent grille, and signature oval headlights. The attention to detail in both exterior and interior design reflects Jaguar's commitment to luxury. The second, luxurious interior. The interior of the XJ is adorned with high-quality materials such as the leather and wood veneer, providing a luxurious and comfortable environment for passengers. The third, smooth performance. Known for its smooth and refined performance, the XJ features a sophisticated suspension system, making it a comfortable cruiser on both city streets and highways. Interesting facts about the automobile. Innovation in design. The XJ series introduced notable innovations, including the use of unitary construction, which enhanced structural rigidity and contributed to a smoother ride. Heritage and legacy. The XJ series carries on the legacy of Jaguar's prestigious saloon cars, and its enduring design elements have influenced subsequent Jaguar models. V12 engine option. The 1978 XJ was available with a powerful V12 engine option, further emphasizing its performance capabilities. While the indicated value of $1,000 might suggest a low entry point, it's crucial to note that the actual market value of a Jaguar XJ 1978 can vary significantly based on its condition. A car priced at $1,000 may require extensive restoration or have issues that need attention. Fully restored or well-maintained examples can command higher prices in the classic car market. Potential buyers should carefully assess factors such as the car's mechanical condition, body integrity, and completeness before considering a purchase. Restoration costs should also be taken into account when determining the overall investment. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.